Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to everyone. This video shows how to remove the block on the TV panel. Stay with us till the end. When a site is blocked, it goes into production mode. In this situation, VGS, VGL and ABDD voltage is missing. Panel model number is ST3151-1-XC-3. 3.3 volt SDA SCL signal is okay. This panel block is easy to remove. This is one side and another side. This IC goes into production mode because the panel is a side block. Don't forget to subscribe for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.